No mask detected. Scan your body temperature. Thank you. No mask detected. Scan your body temperature. Alert. High body temperature detected. Alert. High body temperature detected. Alert. High body temperature detected.
To protect us from this pandemic, there are certain standard operating procedures to be followed. Standard operating procedures may include always wear a face mask, keep your body temperature in check, maintain social distance, sanitization, etc. Currently, this project can monitor whether a person is wearing a face mask and measure the body temperature. All the required data is stored into a database. For face mask detection, I trained a SSD mobile net version 2 architecture using the concept of transfer learning, which has an accuracy of 94%. I used a MLX90614 infrared thermometer sensor for body temperature measurement. This sensor can measure ambient temperature and the object temperature. As the distance between the object and the sensor increases, the temperature detected decreases, which is a drawback. To compensate this loss, I created a dataset which has distance in centimeter, ambient temperature, object temperature, and the actual body temperature recorded from a medical thermometer. This dataset is used to train a neural network model to predict the actual body temperature. After integrating everything together, I have a working prototype. If you have any feedback for this project, comment down below.
No mask detected. Scan your body temperature. Alert. High body temperature detected. Alert. High body temperature detected. Alert. High body temperature detected.